Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Margaret. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button below and tapping on the notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I l I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Love you, I 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 love you. Love you, I 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 love you. I know I dream of you, and I help it if I dream of you every night. Dream of you, and I help it if I dream of you every night. Dream of.
Today I will be giving my review on these superfood drinks that were given to me by my friend Francis for giving me both products. I did not really try the coffee out because I'm not really a coffee lover, but somehow the kids' Nanny Marge loved the flavor, and because it's green coffee, it also has added health benefits. So if you can see, it has green coffee, bignay, moringa, mangosteen, collagen, stevia, and banaba with glutathione. So there are 10 sachets in each box, and if you're a coffee lover, try this out. This is from Casy International, Casy Core Series Health. But I would really love to give a review about this Nature's Superfood Healthy Juice Drink. So it also has 10 sachets inside. The net weight is 210 grams. It has the same health benefits. So this healthy juice drink has moringa, mangosteen, cinnamon, turmeric, stevia, jute, and spirulina. It does not have any therapeutic claims, but what I love about this is that my family loved the flavor as well. So I tried out a sachet or two. These are the sachets. We already drank 8 sachets. I placed 3 sachets in one pitcher, of course, with cold water and ice, and it really is delicious. So not only does it taste good, it also has good benefits to your health. So I would like to suggest you try out Casey International Nature's Superfood Healthy Juice Drink. If you wish to order this, you can message the contact details below in the description box, right? So that's a quick vlog about Casey, green coffee, and Casey International Nature's Superfood. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. If you have any questions about the products I vlogged today, please do leave them in the comment section below. And if you wish to support my channel, tap on the subscribe button, that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads, and also that join button below. Thank you so much for your support. See you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye! Happy New Year!
1, 2, 3.
Funky.